In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the touchscreen hold duration before a touch is recognized in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot touch. When I see touch, I tap on it, and that takes me into the touch related settings page. Alright, now that I'm here on the touch screen, I'm looking for touch accommodations. Once I find it, I tap on touch accommodations to open it up, and this brings me into the section where those controls are managed. At this point, I turn on hold duration by tapping the toggle next to it. The change happens immediately, and once it's enabled, I can adjust the duration to my preference. I move the adjustment control until it feels right for what I want, and everything updates as I make the change. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the setting stayed enabled and the duration looks the way I want it. There's nothing else I need to confirm or save, so I can stay on this screen or leave whenever I'm ready. Now I'm backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap touch accommodations, turn on hold duration, and adjust it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to change the touchscreen hold duration on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and tweak whenever you need.